Okay, so we're gonna continue on. I'm Grandma Ray. So we're here with the vitamins, and Tiffany's gonna tell you all what they have to offer. It's so much. It's great.
Alright, so here in our vitamins, we have two popular brands. One is Sundance and one is Nature's Truth. They provide a full line of vitamins, anything ranging from A to Z. Anything that you don't see in store or anything particular that you're looking for, we can also special order. And like I mentioned earlier, we can also deliver those items for free along with your prescriptions. Hello. This right here is the gummies for hair, skin, and nails. This is very popular. A lot of our patients like to buy this product.
Hi, Sam.
And we'll be right back. Okay, so Tiffany, you're gonna tell us about your vitamins over here at where are we at?
We're at Healthcare Family Pharmacy. We're located at 14 Loon Hill Road in Draycott, Mass. Our phone number is 978-455-0570. We're located in the plaza, right next door to ML Shaw's and across the street from Lowell General Hospital Urgent Care and Riverside Medical Group.
There we go. Okay, so you want to tell me about some vitamins?
Yes, so back to our vitamins. We have two popular brands. It's Sundance and Nature's Truth. So over here we have some of the common brands that we have and some of the common medications that a lot of people like to buy over the counter is fish oil. This one's 1,000 milligrams. So 60 count goes for only $4.49. So our prices are a lot less than the other stores that are around here compared to CVS, Walgreens, anything like that. So we have vitamin D3, 1,000. We have super water pill. This is another popular medication too. This one is a 60 count for only $3.99. We have B complex with B12. And then going down, we have a lot more variety.
Okay, 1 second.
Hi, so we're going down the other brand. So some other popular medications are magnesium oxide. This one's Care. This one's a special bonus, 90 count for only $8.59.
And what is magnesium good for?
Magnesium can be used for a couple of different things. A lot of things one of the most common things that people use for is cramps, especially in the muscle or the knee area.
Oh, wait, say that word again.
Cramps.
That's what I get. Say that again.
Cramps.
Oh my God, they got something for cramps over here.
Yes, so this actually helps. That's one of the popular ones that a lot of our customers buy. We have hydrolyzed collagen. This one's type 1 and 3 with vitamin C for the hair, skin, and nails. Potassium, we have melatonin, 10 milligrams, and multivitamins for all different ages and for women and men. So it all varies. And then for Nature's Truth, we also have the aromatherapy. And then we'll go down and we'll look at the products and look at the diffuser some more.
Okay, 1 second. So now, what are you sitting in now?
So this is one of the wheelchairs that we have in store. It's actually in stock. This one ranges for about $200 to $250. There are different types of models that we can special order, and we can order it for the next day too. And like I said before, we provide free delivery. We can even set this up and get it delivered to your home for free.
Wow, so that's really cool because, to be able to come in and get a wheelchair the next day or maybe in a couple of days, depending on, when you have it, that is absolutely wonderful. And how much was that?
This one goes for about $200 to $250. It's pretty easy too, and it's very comfortable and cushy. It's very easy to use. You can even adjust it. We have extra pads here. This is removable too. We have footsteps. And this, you can even put a cushion on here, and it can hold up to 300 pounds.
Wow, that's excellent, excellent. And what is that next to the wheelchair?
Next to us, this is the commode. This is adjustable too. This helps out a lot for anybody who has problems going to the bathroom. That'll ease it.
And that I can get in a day or two too?
Yes. This
Great.
one we actually carry in store. We have the linens to go along inside of that. And then if you ever needed that too, any of our products we can special deliver for you guys in order.
Oh, wonderful. And around how much that go for?
This one, I believe, it only goes for $40.
$40.
Yes.
That's really, really good.
$40.
Wow, wonderful. Okay, and we have a walker here?
Yes. So we have a rolling walker here. This one is the basic model. And you can also adjust this so that it folds and collapses. So that way it takes up less space and you can travel with it too. And this one ranges for about $20 to $30.
Wow, that's reasonable.
This is the basic version, and then over here we have a higher quality called the rolling walker. And this we even set up. This one we had a patient call in and we had it set up and delivered to her home too, right before the snowstorm hit.
Nice, very nice. You know, that's very convenient that you can come home and you're in need of these items and you one call over here and you can make it happen. That is wonderful.
We hold the most common medical equipments in store, and if there's any other special items that you ever wanted, we have an extensive catalog that we can search through. You can even view it in our stores on our iPad. We can search it, we can go through different prices with you, and then we can order it the next day and get it delivered or call you whenever it's ready.
I like that service. I really, really like that service. Give me a second, please.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so back to more of our medical equipment that we hold in store. Right here beside us we have a bedside rail. This one is adjustable. You can just slide it right underneath your mattress and then hang on to it, and it'll help you assist to get in and out of the bed. We have this standard hip knee kit for $42. This comes with a lot of helpful equipment. There's a 26-inch reacher, a dressing stick, an 18-inch shoehorn, round sponge, sock aid, and since we're next to the Lowell General Hospital urgent care, this has been a helpful item to a lot of patients who's had surgery or been discharged from the hospital.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So that we actually special ordered because we had a couple of doctors call in and ask us to carry that. So that's one's quite common that's helped a lot of people. We have crutches. We have a lot of items here.
Crutches?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
Crutches, we have braces, we have medical tape. We have a lot of things. If you ever needed to check them out, you can always come or you can give us a phone call. We can run through the ranges with you. You can always try them too. If you purchase them, try them. And if you see that it's not a good fit or you don't like the quality, you can always return it too and get a full refund. You don't have to keep it if you don't like it. So that's a good deal. And then, yeah, that's basically it for the medical.
Okay, so let's end this segment and we'll continue on to the items that are on the shelf that you may need, and like Tylenol or different items like that, and show you the balance of the store, shall we? Okay. Hi, this is Grandma Ray Don't Play, and this is the last segment. I hope you've enjoyed all the benefits that they have over here at the pharmacy. And this is Tiffany. She's gonna again give you the information where you can locate the pharmacy and come over and visit and everything else, languages and everything. Tiffany, tell them.
Hey guys, it's Tiffany again. I'm the lead tech here at Healthcare Family Pharmacy. Our address is 14 Loon Hill Road, Drake, Mass. Our phone number is 978-455-0570. Again, the name of our pharmacy is Healthcare Family Pharmacy. It's 14 Loon Hill Road, Drake, Mass. And our phone number is 978-455-0570. If you have any questions at all, feel free to ask for me or for the pharmacy manager, Sam. So again, talking about our free services. So we take all the insurances. Your co-pays will be the same wherever you go. And then we do the transferring. The process is very easy. We do all the work for you. We can either call your pharmacy or your doctor for all new prescriptions. And then we speak several different languages here. We have Greek, we have Spanish, I speak Lao, we also have a Cambodian technician. And then that, so let's see, our free delivery services, that's one of our popular items because a lot of people have trouble with transportation. That's usually Monday, Wednesday, and Friday between 11 and 5 p.m. And let me see.
They can transfer
Transfer.
their medicine, the prescription from one pharmacy.
So we can transfer your prescriptions from one pharmacy to another. It's very easy. All you have to do is provide us with basic information and we can do the rest for you. And then setup process is very easy. It doesn't take long at all. It's nothing hard. You just have to provide us with information and that's it. And then so on here behind us, this is the aromatherapy section. You can make your own concoction and put them in these mini diffusers that are very cute. They fit in small spaces. You can put them on your desk at work or at home, on your shelves. We also have the brochures here in store that talks about each of the scent that we have, and it tells you different examples of how you can mix your own remedies and put them in the diffuser too. So these are very cool. The scents are very nice actually. This is also very popular in our stores. We have here, we have a calming scent, cinnamon, one that boosts energy, happiness, lavender, orange sweet, peace, purification, and thrive. There's still a lot more. There's a lot more that you can mix, and we can order 2 on different scents online and bring them in store for you. And so that's one of the popular ones. And that was it for the aromatherapy.
Okay, and you're going to show me what else you have on the shelves?
Yes.
Okay, give me a second.
So here on one of our aisles, we have hair care and feminine care. Again, these are a lot of the basic general items that are most common in stores. There are a lot of different other brands and products that we can special order for you. We have done that for several of our customers and patients for anything that particular they're looking for. Sometimes they can't find products that are probably being discontinued or just taken off the shelves at CVS, Walgreens, Rite Aid, and we can order those too if we can find them. And on the other side here, we have pain relief and allergy meds. A lot of them Tylenol. We have our own brand. It's called Health Mart. That's a very popular brand too. The cost is a lot less than what you would pay for in things say Benadryl, Mucinex, Robitussin, all pretty common items. And then we'll move over to the next aisle. So over here we have our first aid end cap. We have foot care, digestive health, shaving, oral care. A lot of our probiotics and stool softeners. These are a lot of items that sell out in our store.
And these are items, if I need them, you can bring it along with my prescription for my delivery?
Yes, and
Wonderful.
for no charge at all.
Wonderful.
Over here also, like I mentioned, we have a small cooler if you ever needed a drink along with your prescriptions. And we also have incontinence care. So this is also very popular with a lot of our elders. We special deliver these and we service these to the assisted living right next door to us. There are a couple other brands that are available we can order too, but these are the most common ones that a lot of our patients like, especially the generic, the Health Mart, since they're a lot less and cost effective. Those are good for our patients. And on the other side here, we have more. We have the wipes, the sprays, along with the Poise brand, the Tenna, things like that.
Great.
Oh, and our blood pressure machine. So this is also an added bonus that we have in our store. A lot of our patients and customers like to use this too. If you're ever in by the store, stop on by and test it out.
1 second. Oh, here we go. Oh, yes. While you're getting your medicine, you can check your blood pressure, make sure you're on point. Wonderful. Well, Tiffany, it's been an absolute pleasure coming over here, learning all about the store and telling the YouTube family where you're located and how they can get service. And I think you all are absolute added bonus to the community. And what communities do you service?
So again, we are from the Greater Lowell area. We go all the way out to the certain areas of Westford, all over Lowell, all over Drake. We also have certain areas in Tingsboro that we do, and we also head out to Lawrence too. So if you feel like our services can be of use to you, or if you want just a better personalized service, just give us a call. Our phone number again is 978-455-0570.
And they're only gonna find you here.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, so I want to say thank you to everyone that have listened, and I always try to bring you helpful tips and helpful advice, and now I'm bringing you a helpful pharmacy. Everything you need for your life. Grandma Ray don't play, loves you, and we're gonna see you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Thanks, guys. Bye.